So guys, just ported the head on this. Took it all off, grinded it all out. So now we got that tube out of this tube, all welded back together into the can. Baffle out of the can. I put the piece back in and just gutted the baffle right out because I don't know, I want it to look more finished. Oh, I had it running a little bit ago. So make sure it's gonna run before I embarrass myself. Still waiting for the Nibby to show up. Should be here tomorrow, so just through the stock hardware, go back on to try it out.